Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get ready.
Kia Motors Corporation is a Korean automobile company, which is part of Hyundai. Kia Sorento 2.4 is a car of Korean production, which has high technical characteristics. Specifications. Kia Sorento 2.4 is a Korean car, crossover type. The vehicle is equipped with a powertrain labeled G4KE 4B12. This is a standard 4B powertrain manufactured by Mitsubishi, but modernized by Hyundai Motor for use on its vehicles. Among the upgrades and modernizations are increased crankshaft and piston stroke to 97 mm. Piston diameter is 88 mm. No hydrocompensators, which does not require frequent valve train adjustments. Hyundai Motor Manufacturing Alabama Mitsubishi Motors Corporation 2.4-liter, 2,359 cubic centimeters. How much oil in the engine applicability? To other vehicles: Kia Sorento, Kia Optima, Kia Sportage, Kia Sorento, Hyundai 935, Hyundai Sonata, Hyundai Santa Fe, Mitsubishi Lancer, Mitsubishi Outlander, Mitsubishi Delica, Chrysler 200, Chrysler Sebring, Citroën C-Crosser, Dodge Avenger, Dodge Caliber, Dodge Journey, Jeep Compass, Jeep Patriot, Peugeot 4007, Jeep Patriot Proton, Inspira, Kia Sorento 2.4. Engine oil change. Engine oil is an essential element of every car's heart. This fluid provides lubrication to the engine parts and also removes 15% of the heat generated by the engine. But, like any other liquid, engine oil tends to lose its useful qualities, so according to the manufacturer's recommendations it is changed every 15,000 kilometers. Process of oil change. Kia Sorento. At the same time, experienced car enthusiasts recommend that in order to reduce wear and increase the resource of use, carry out the change of lubricating fluids more often. In the case of the motor, it should be done every 10,000 kilometers of mileage. Let's consider the basic principles of changing the engine oil with their own hands in Kia Sorento 2.4. Install the vehicle on the trestle, pit or hoist, and let it cool down. We dismantle the lower motor protection. Unscrew the drain bolt on the crankcase block. Preliminary, it is necessary to install a container under the place of drainage. After the fluid is almost drained, unscrew the oil filter and install the new element. Screw in the filler plug. Unscrew the motor filler neck and pour in new engine oil. After running in 2 to 3 kilometers, it is necessary to add lubricant to the motor. Dirty candles. Kia Sorento. The motor begins to work like a diesel. Contamination of injectors and the peculiarities of the structure of the power unit. Special attention should be paid to the contamination of the piston, as well as the formation of the air-fuel mixture. Whistling in the underhood space. These are all signs of a malfunction of the air conditioner bearing. Replacement of the element will help to correct the problem. Crackling. Many motorists begin to get nervous, but do not. This is the usual state of the injectors. Vibration at low speeds. This is a sign of malfunctioning spark plugs. In this case, it is worth replacing the elements. Quiet hissing sound. Do not think that there is a snake in the car. This is the usual work of the gasoline pump. Gas to the engine. In order to save money, many motorists want to install gas cylinder equipment. In this case, only propane is suitable, and then the SBO is not lower than the 4th generation. But, here, immediately begins to torment the question, and how will it affect the engine life? It is worth considering a few facts that will help to save and so not high engine life when installing HBO. It is worth filling up only with high-quality liquefied gas. Of course, it is not as plentiful as we would like, but it is worth finding a filling station whose gas meets the norms. Cleaning. Replacement of filters. It is obligatory to carry out this procedure after no more than 10,000 kilometers of mileage. When performing maintenance, pay attention to the manifold and cylinder head gaskets. The engine begins to consume more fuel. It is true. If the engine is in normal condition and the gas system is properly adjusted, fuel consumption will increase by only 10 to 15%. At the same time, gasoline consumption will remain the same. ECU and error codes. Most often engine problems can be identified by the error codes of the electronic control unit. It is not easy to do it on your own, so it is recommended to contact the appropriate car service. But it is necessary to buy, install, and customize the root computer. And all the same, not all errors they can erase, so some errors can be stored in the ECU memory, and the CE will not burn. Error codes. Kia Sorento 2.4. When diagnosing by professional and semi-professional methods, it is worth to have at hand the codes of deciphering errors of the control unit. P0100 airflow meter electrical circuit is shorted or damaged. P0101 airflow meter amplitude characteristic violation. P0102 low air flow meter signal level. P0103 high air flow meter signal level. P0110 air temperature sensor electrical circuit is defective. P0112 low air temperature sensor signal level. P0113 high air temperature sensor signal level. P0115 damage to the electrical circuit of the air temperature sensor. P0116 coolant temperature sensor amplitude characteristic disturbance. P0120 throttle position sensor electrical circuit fault. P0121 throttle position sensor amplitude characteristic disturbance. P0122 throttle position sensor low signal level. P0123 throttle position sensor signal level high. P0125 low coolant temperature. P0130 oxygen sensor circuit damage. P0132 oxygen sensor signal level high. P0133 oxygen sensor slow response. Group 1, sensor 1. P0134 oxygen sensor low efficiency. Group 1, sensor 1. P0135 damage to heated oxygen sensor electrical circuit. Group 1, sensor 1. P0136 lower oxygen sensor circuit damage. Group 1, sensor 2. P0139 oxygen sensor slow response. Group 1, sensor 2. P0140 oxygen sensor low efficiency. Group 1, sensor 2. P0141 damage to heated oxygen sensor electrical circuit. Group 1, sensor 2. P0150 oxygen sensor circuit damage. Group 2, sensor 1. P0153 oxygen sensor slow response. Group 2, sensor 1. P0154 low oxygen sensor efficiency. Group 1, sensor 1. P0155 damage to heated oxygen sensor electrical circuit. Group 2, sensor 1. P0156 damage to oxygen sensor electrical circuit. Group 2, sensor 1. P0160 low oxygen sensor efficiency. Group 2, sensor 2. P0161 damage to heated oxygen sensor electrical circuit. Group 1, sensor 2. P0170 fuel system damage. P0171 poor fuel mixture. P0172 rich fuel mixture. P0173 fuel mixture not regulated. P0201 damage to cylinder 1 fuel injector electrical circuit. P0202 damage to cylinder 2 fuel injector electrical circuit. P0203 damage to cylinder 2 fuel injector electrical circuit. P0203 damage to cylinder 2 fuel injector electrical circuit. P0203 damage to cylinder 2 fuel injector electrical circuit. P0203 damage to cylinder 2 fuel injector electrical circuit. P0203 damage to cylinder 2 fuel injector electrical circuit. P0203 cylinder fuel injector circuit. 3 P0204 damage to cylinder fuel injector circuit. 4 P0205 damage to cylinder fuel injector circuit. 5 P0206 damage to cylinder fuel injector Circuit 6P0300 accidental ignition misses. P0301 ignition misses in first. P0302 ignition misses in second cylinder. P0302 ignition misses in second cylinder. P0303 ignition misses in third cylinder. P0304 ignition misses in fourth cylinder. P0305 ignition misses in fifth cylinder. P0306 ignition misses in cylinder 6. P0325 damage to detonation sensor electrical circuit. P0330 damage to detonation sensor electrical circuit. P0335 crankshaft angle sensor circuit damage. P0340 damage to camshaft position sensor electrical circuit. P0350 ignition coil primary secondary circuit damage. P0351 ignition coil primary secondary coil A electrical circuit damage. P0352 ignition coil primary secondary coil B electrical circuit fault. P0353 ignition coil primary secondary coil C circuit damage. P0354 ignition coil primary secondary coil electrical fault D P0355 ignition coil primary secondary coil circuit damage E P0356 ignition coil primary secondary coil circuit fault F P0401 malfunction in exhaust gas recirculation system. P0403 damage to EGR solenoid valve electrical circuit. P0420 reduced efficiency of catalytic converter Group 1. P0421 reduced catalytic converter efficiency Group 1. P0430 reduced efficiency of catalytic converter Group 2. P0442 minor leaks in EGR system 1 mm. P0443 EVAP fuel vapor recovery system control valve electrical circuit damaged. P0446 EVAP fuel vapor recovery system control failure. P0451 EVAP fuel vapor recovery system pressure sensor malfunction. P0452 EVAP fuel vapor recovery system pressure sensor low signal strength. P0453 low EVAP pressure sensor signal level. P0455 increased leakage in EVAP fuel vapor recovery system. P0500 vehicle speed sensor electrical circuit damage. P0506 reduced crankshaft speed at idle speed. P0507 increased crankshaft speed at idle speed. P0510 damage to idle switch electrical circuit. P1100 EGR manifold absolute pressure sensor permanently open closed. P1102 collector absolute pressure EGR sensor mode 3. P1103 collector absolute pressure EGR sensor mode 2. P1134 oxygen sensor circuit fault Group 1 sensor 1. P1154 oxygen sensor circuit damage Group 2 sensor 1. P1166 oxygen sensor limit signal Group 1. P1167 oxygen sensor limit signal Group 2. P1372 crankshaft angle sensor signal is incorrect. P1510 idle speed system valve open permanently due to shorted coil power supply circuit coil 1. P1511 idle speed system valve open permanently due to shorted valve coil coil 2. Electrical circuit. P1521 power steering switch damaged. P1529 MIL indicator lamp input signal level high. P1602 damage to TCU communication. P1613 ECU self-test. P1616 main relay defective. P1623 MIL indicator lamp defective. P1624 cooling fan electrical circuit fault low speed. P1625 damage to cooling fan circuit high speed. Self-diagnosis. Also, diagnostics can be performed with a paper clip. Let's get a paper clip or a woman's hair clip. For women, it will not be difficult to find, but men will have to, quietly, take from wives or girls. Self-diagnostic pin. Open the hood. Find the air filter. Next to it there is a diagnostic socket. Under the hood of the Kia Sorento. It does not have a plug, so dust may have accumulated in it. Location of the diagnostic connector. See the pin diagram. Put a pin in the diagnostic connector and insert a paper clip into connectors 12 and 19, that the circuit is closed. Get behind the wheel, turn the key to start, turn on the ignition, but do not start the car. At first, the check engine light bulb will burn for a couple of seconds and go out. And its next flashes will mean error codes. Long flashes are 10s, short flashes are 1s. Diagnostic socket connector pinout table of error codes decoding on Kia Sportage, 02, crankshaft angle sensor. Distributor no signal, 03, phase sensor, camshaft sensor. Distributor G signal, 07, wrong angle mark wheel, crankshaft, mounting. Fault on SGT signal, 08, airflow sensor. Mass airflow sensor, 09, engine coolant temperature sensor. Engine coolant temperature sensor, 10, air temperature sensor. Intake air temperature sensor. 12, throttle position sensor. Throttle position sensor, 14, atmospheric pressure sensor. Atmospheric pressure sensor, 15, oxygen sensor, lambda probe. Oxygen sensor, 16, EGR valve position sensor. 17, feedback system. Feedback system, 18, injector number 1. Injector number 1 open or short, 19, nozzle number 2. Injector number 2 open or short, 20, injector number 3. Injector number 3 open or short, 21, injector number 4. Injector number 4 open or short, 24, fuel pump relay. Fuel pump relay open or short, 25, pressure regulator control solenoid valve. 26, fuel vapor accumulator valve. Purge control solenoid valve, 28, exhaust gas recirculation valve. Solenoid valve, EGR, open or short, 34, idle speed control solenoid valve. Idle speed control solenoid valve, 35, injector malfunction. Deteriorated injector, 36, damaged airflow sensor. Deteriorated airflow sensor, 37, intake system air leakage. Intake system air leakage, 41, variable inertia charging system solenoid valve. 46, AC cut relay open or short. 48, power stage group 1 malfunction, inside ECM. Injector 1 to 4 purge solenoid valve, EGR solenoid valve or damaged power stage. 49, power stage group 2 malfunction, inside ECM. Idle speed control valve failure or damaged power stage. 56, idle speed control valve. Idle speed control valve closing coil open or short. 57, AC compressor input signal. AC compressor input signal short. 73, engine speed sensor. Vehicle speed sensor open or short. 87, check indicator lamp circuit. Malfunction indicator lamp short circuit. 88, ECM ROM malfunction. ECM data, 99, battery. Battery, conclusion Kia Sorento 2.4 with G4KE 4B12 engine is a Korean crossover with excellent technical characteristics. The engine is capable of producing 174 horsepower, which is quite a lot. Since the power unit is designed on the basis of Mitsubishi, so it is a benchmark of reliability and efficiency. Along with all the pluses, there are a few shortcomings, which do not interfere with the operation of the car. Kia Sorento 2.4 engine Kia Sorento 2.4 oil change Sorento clogged plugs Kia Sorento ECU diagnostics with your own hands Kia Sorento. Under the hood diagnostics self-diagnostics Kia Sorento diagnostics. In conclusion, the Kia Sorento with the 2.4-litre engine offers a balanced blend of performance, efficiency, and practicality. Its design caters to families and adventurers alike, providing ample space and comfort. While it may not be the most powerful option in its class, the engine delivers reliable performance for everyday driving needs. Overall, the Sorento remains a strong contender in the midsize SUV market, appealing to those seeking a dependable and versatile vehicle. Thank you for watching, and we hope this overview has helped you understand the strengths of the Kia Sorento's 2.4-litre engine.